Kita nyo na, hindi nyo, bakit ganyan na lang? Umasenso na po si Aling Shaw. At ito ang buong kasaysayan ni Aling Shaw.
Maestro.
Bakit na naman to? Teka. Okay. Maestro, tuloy lang.
One more.
Okay. Sige mga taga-Hawaii. Meron mga taga-Hawaii. Mga Hawaii, no? Iba na ang panahon, mapanoon at ngayon. Katulad ng nitong sikat na si Aling. Hindi pa ang sapatos niya kapag nilagyan ng biton. Alam ng buong nasyon. Kikinis yun.
Titinis yun eh.
What? Subalit po ngayon, iba na ang panahon. Ito si Aling Shaw, ang daming Louis Vuitton. Kasi inyo bang opinion ay bakit nagkaganon? Bininta daw sa hapon. Ikinis yun.
Audience participation, ha? Okay, everybody, ha? Pag inano namin, alam nyo nararamdaman.
Pagkatapos ng hapon ay saka na lumambong. Paglipas ng hapon, buhay naman sumabong. Ang dami ng relasyon, parang United Nations. Dumami rin infeksyon. Okay. Mga kaibigan, kanina sa opening, nabanggit namin na DJ, tinanong kami kung kaya niyo mag-DJ, so ginagawa namin to.
Isa pa nga. Kapag nilagyan ng biton.
Okay. Sa kompleto, walang masama ang loob, di ba? May Pepe si Celeste at may si Shaw. Pinagsama namin para walang magtampo. Mga kaibigan, kaya ako nabanggit ulit yung DJ, dabarkads kami talaga sa Itbulaga. Minsan nagkakasakit. Nung naoperahan ako ng appendicitis, okay, ang pumalit sa akin si Alan. So, walang TVJ, pero may TV gay. TV gay. Hindi, TV gay.
Baka ba siya?
Hindi, TV gay.
Hey.
Stop.
Sige.
Hey, excuse me.
Why? What's your problem?
Excuse me, guys.
Mr. Jimmy San, why?
I heard you're talking about gays.
Yeah.
Why you're always talking about gays?
Well, part na yan ng buhay niyo.
Music? No.
What? Yeah, we're talking about gays.
Oh, okay, you're talking about gays. Can I ask you a brand new name for gays?
What?
What?
Brand new name for gays.
New name?
Yeah, new. As brand new.
I mean to say there's a new term for gays?
Yes.
No more baklus.
Baklus?
Gosh. Luma.
Pekimon. That's the new.
Senior citizens.
That's all.
Oh,
That's all?
yes.
You have new term?
Yes. As brand new.
As brand new as what?
As brand new as the hostage taking happened in Manila 3 weeks ago.
Bago mo, ayan. August 23 lang yan.
Yes.
Hindi baklita.
No.
Bata.
No.
Okay. There's a new name for gays. Huh?
Yes.
As brand new as the hostage taking in
Correct.
Quirino Grandstand.
Yes.
Okay, what is the new name for gays?
New name for gays is sausage taker. Brand new.
Okay. Sausage taker. Ito ba yung kasing bagsik din ng isang hostage taker? Itong sausage taker?
Yes.
Why? How do you deal with sausage taker?
Like hostage taking. There's also negotiation.
There's negotiation.
Yes. If the deal is okay, The man is okay.
The money is okay.
Okay. And the both party agreed upon the money or the some money.
The price.
Oh yeah. They're talking about.
Oh.
Well, of course,
Oh.
there were a release.
Ganda ng usapan namin dito eh.
Di ba? Negotiation eh.
May pang-release-release ka pa eh.
Siyempre.
Kulang na lang.
Pag nagkasundo daw sa pera, may release. At may naman ka pa.
Yun yung pwede.
Baka kasunod niya, condom na.
Oh!
Yeah, you know what's a condom?
Yes.
What's condom?
Okay, condom. It is a thing to be worn in the utensils. So that in time of an emergency, the come out will not be exposed.
Mas ka naman?
Lumayas ka na.
Mas ka ba?
Utensil.
Pilipinas. Amerika. Wala pa rin kwenta.
Ito kaya, ladies and gentlemen, speaking of
Sausage taker.
sausage taker, narito po, papakilala namin sa inyo. The number one, STOP.
Ha?
STOP, acronym yun. STOP.
STOP?
Number one, STOP.
What is
Sausage
STOP?
Taker of the Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen,